Faisal Mosque in Pakistan is another marvel of modern architecture. Let's call it a minimalist modern mosque. Doorless and often bathed in colorful light, Faisal Mosque is nothing like the typical pale tile work and dome that we've come to expect. Its sharp angles, gleaming white marble, and striking geometric patterns have earned it descriptions are more sci-fi spaceship preparing for liftoff than mosque. Its four soaring minarets, filigreed and bowing skyward with sleek precision, even inspired conspiracy theories during the Cold War, when some locals jokingly argued that they looked like missiles atop launching pads. But to see the mosque is to take in an astonishing visual spectacle. It's also a feat of engineering, built to absorb earthquakes in its flexible form, making it as resilient as it is beautiful. It is even more visible at night when illuminated, with the white marble reflecting any remaining light in a spectacle visible from miles like a beacon star guiding the way home in the very spine of Islamabad. The Faisal Mosque is unique in the sense that it has a universal appeal. As a place of worship for Muslims, it has become a must-see for people of all faiths alike for its unique balance between contemporary design and spiritual calm. The inside is just as beautiful as the outside, with a large open prayer hall that feels both monumental and intimate, with its beautiful chandeliers and soft ethereal light. It features a minimalist design that gives a sense of calm and reverence, creating a space for reflection and connection. In addition to being a mosque, it features international conferences, art exhibitions, and concerts, demonstrating its importance to Pakistan's culture. The mosque is surrounded by beautiful gardens, which are tranquil and picturesque, creating a harmonious contrast to its enormity and giving visitors a much-needed respite from the fumes of the city. Faisal Mosque is not just a place of worship, it is also a representative of Pakistan's audacity and proof of the ability of architecture to inspire and unite. It has indeed topped the landmarks that beautifully harmonize tradition with modernity, spirituality with art, and resilience with a beautiful vision in the country. Be it awe in its futuristic structural design, the tranquility and the serenity of its inner spaces, or just the peaceful vibes of its gardens, Faisal Mosque resonates with everyone who visits. It remains a lasting masterwork, which epitomizes the dynamic interplay between Pakistan's cultural past and a hopeful tomorrow in which the ties of tradition dovetail with innovation in a delicate equilibrium. Visiting the Faisal Mosque transcends religion and geography, providing insight on the infinite possibilities of human creativity and vision,